Hey guys, today's Tuesday, February the 20th of 2024. Let's look at natural gas US pre-market. As you can see with the Andrews pitchfork, the mid point here, it's getting a nice little momentum to the upside. Let's see how it behaves on the US Open, but so far, this 50% angle is holding so far. Nothing's changed in the simple glance chart or anything I'm noticing. We're getting a slight little hockey stick here, indicating that maybe a little reversal is building up. Too early to tell, but that's what I'm kind of observing. Nothing here. The only thing MACD is positive, and wanted to show you in regards to volume. Yesterday, it was dead, but the bears had a little slight edge, but it was close to 50-50. I think here you can see that last week volume was very aggressive. The bears took it all the way home. That was close to pretty much the week of the 12th. And the bulls won here on January the 8th. But this one, the bears took it. Let's look at our midpoint chart. Couple of things to digest here. The candles are trending positive. They're white, so we look like we consolidated here for a couple of 4-hour candles, and now getting this move to the upside. I have a target of 150. That might change, but as of right now, it hasn't gone down there. We don't know what the U.S. session is going to bring. Our statistical calendar says it's a bearish trading day, but the weekday is positive, so it's mixed. This weekday is not positive by much, but you make more money if you short on this day. So we'll see. It's kind of mixed. Let's see how it plays out today. Couple of things. Could they be putting lipstick on the pig and putting high heels and getting her nice dressed up, really nice and sexy? And then when the U.S. opens, slam it down. I don't know. We'll see. Just be careful. The price action is king. So let's look at some levels here. Let's look at the weekly. Big levels to watch out would be this $1.71. $1.71 if it gets all the way up there in the U.S. session. That'd be a nice target. At least halfway. And then 186. I don't know what could lead it to explode that big, but, let's look at that and support or targets to the downside, 150 and 142. That's for the whole week. Now, for today only, we were hovering around 156. We're above the VWAP. 158. That was the low. And you got 161. That looks like it's probably going to head up there. If it stalls there at the US Open and it starts pulling back, be careful. But if it holds, you get the midpoint, which will be then targets to the upside 163, 165, and then 167 for today. Targets to the downside, you're very close to 156 and then 154. So that's what I'm observing. If it gets down there, I'll get in. But if it doesn't, and from here, this is the low. This is what the gods gave us. And it starts trending sideways to higher, then I just got to get in a pullback, buy, and see if it starts trending higher. So I'll leave it there. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.